case of the state versus Zaidan, who is accused of vandalizing private property. Prosecutor Viola, you may begin.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is a case of vandalism. The defendant was caught in the act of spray painting on the wall of a hotel shop without permission. This action caused financial damage and we have witness to profit. I call my first witness, Officer Rayhan.
Officer Rayhan, please take the stand.
On the night of June 15, I was patrolling the area when I saw Zaidan spray painting on the back wall of Miss Alda's shop. When I approached, he attempted to leave the scene, but was detained shortly after.
Did he grant permission to the kids?
No, he didn't.
I was running away, I just panicked, I didn't think it was a big deal at the time.
Did you think breaking the law was not a big deal?
I recognized the car's white then.
Officer, were there other people near the scene when you arrived?
There were traces of other graffiti, but Zaidan was the only one I saw actively painting at the time.
Your Honor, I called the shop owner, Miss Alda.
When I arrived in the morning, I was shocked. The wall of my shop was covered full in graffiti, and I had to spend $500 to clean it all, and it was affecting my business.
How did this affect your business?
My shop looked unprofessional and like an abandoned place, and the customers complained about the mess.
Did you see who did it?
No, but Officer Rayhan called Zaidan. That's enough proof.
I never went to run your shop, I wasn't thinking.
Let's keep this professional. Defense, do you have more questions?
No, no further question. I call Miss Elga, a witness for the defense.
Zaidan and I were there that night, but he wasn't the only one painting. There were others too, and some of the graffiti was there before we arrived.
But was Zaidan holding a spray can?
Yes, but
I was just adding a small design. We can see text were run.
We will have a chance to explain further later. Prosecutor, continue.
No further question.
Next, I call Dr. Nava, an art professor. Dr. Nava, as an art professor, how do you see a graffiti?
Graffiti is a form of artistic expression. Many famous artists start as street artists. Criminalizing all graffiti without context might be a mistake.
But painting on private property without consent is illegal.
That's true, but some cities provide legal walls for artists. Instead of punishment, maybe we should guide young artists towards legal street art space.
Interesting perspective, but does the prosecution have any closing statements?
Your Honor, while I respect the artistic perspective, the fact Zaidan vandalized a private property, the law must be upheld and he should be held accountable.
My client was not alone that night, and there is no concrete proof that he was solely responsible for the damage. And so, he should not be unfairly punished.
Zaidan, while I acknowledge graffiti as an art form, the law must be upheld. However, considering the circumstances, I sentence you to 50 hours of community service. Painting murals in legal spaces. Case dismissed.